welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today I am back with part 4 I think of my Durga Puja series, and today I am going to show you guys the easiest glitter eye makeup look. Now I know I'm doing very simple looks for beginners. There are few girls who just love to be a little bit creative during this time, and they just want to play with some makeup, want it to be beginner friendly, to be simple as well. So for that reason I'm going to show you guys a creative, very glittery kind of eye makeup look, but easy at the same time. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I have everything in front of me. I hope you guys will find this video helpful. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's get started. So I'm not going to prep my skin in this video because I already prepped my skin. I actually filmed one how to prep your skin long lasting makeup for my Instagram. First I'm going to use this concealer from Rimmel London, and this one is their lasting radiance concealer. I'm just going to use it right over here. I'm going to blend everything. My Blue Heaven brow pencil, I'm going to quickly fill in my brows because I just cannot do my makeup with this kind of brows. So I fill in my brows. Now I am going to start my eye makeup. This eye makeup look, you need two eyeshadow only. One is a light brown shade and one is a deep brown or mauve kind of a shade. You can use any brown or mauve shade that you have. Just using a very random brown eyeshadow is like a really good brush for this kind of eye makeup look. Now the trick is to place the eyeshadow right above your natural crease, like line right over here. Just place that shadow right above that line, just like this. The circular motion, just blend it out. Do not go all the way, just create an illusion, like a brown illusion right over here. Do not need to be perfect with this. So that's pretty much it. Don't do anything else. Now take that light brown or the transition shade that you are going to use and just use a fluffy brush like this. Use it right over here just to make everything blend really well. Feel like with that small fluffy brush you just cannot draw this line. You can use a flat brush like this. Take my Nicka liquid glitter, and you can use any glitter liner or anything that you have. What I am going to do, I'm going to take a little bit over here. Angle brush like this. You can use any eyeliner brush that you're comfortable with. The liquid glitter, and I am just going to follow that deeper brown line, and I'm just going to apply it like this. And that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna take a brown eyeliner. This one is from Sugar Cosmetics, and I'm using a brown eyeliner because I just want it to be brownish, dark and mauve, not black. is what my eyeliner looks like. Now with a smudger fat brush like this, I'm going to take the same mauve shade that I used right over here, and I'm just going to smudge my eyeliner a little bit. That's the reason I used a brown eyeliner for this look. Now if you feel like that you have just messed this section right over here, like the middle section right over here, just take that any lighter shade that you have and just use it to clean this area. So this is what my eye makeup looks. I paired it with some natural false eyelash. The link will be in the description box. If you don't want to wear eyelash, go with some mascara and you're good to go. So this is what my eyes. I am going to use some foundation, and for that I am going to use my Rimmel London lasting matte finish foundation. Take my brush and I am going to apply it. I'm not going to cake up my face that much. I'm just using it very slightly, just to have a little bit of something. I take the same concealer, Rimmel London Lasting Concealer, and I'm just going to use it right over here. And I'm going to use my PAC translucent powder. Such a beautiful powder, highly recommended. If you don't want to purchase that ColourPop no filter powder, this is like a dupe. Same mauve shade, and I am just going to use it like this, and I'm not going to go all the way, just right over here, my outer corners. Just use some mascara, my PAC No Worries mascara, and I used a little bit of white eyeliner, and that's pretty much it. Flower Beauty contouring palette. I'm going to use this shade to contour my skin. I think I'm going to use this entire palette for my face. This is a really nice palette. Especially, I will not say this is good for dusky skin people, but if you're a pale skin person, don't want to purchase blush, bronzer, highlighter separately, you want to invest in something like this, this is a really good palette. Use this one right over here as my bronzer, and this actually gives you the most soft bronzer look. For my blush, I'm going to use this one right over here. My highlighter, I'm going to use this one. Be very careful with this particular one. It's very intense. Lastly, for my lips, I'm going to use this NYX Push Up lipstick in the shade Seduction. Such a beautiful nude shade, perfect for this kind of makeup look. guys, this is the finished look. I paired it with some silver jewelry, and this one is from Rudraksh. They have such beautiful collection, and this is like so pretty. This ring, such a stunning piece. This set comes with a earring like this as well. Also, I'm gonna show you guys few pieces as well. Sent me this particular earring. It's like a jhumka hoop earring, very trendy. Beautiful neck piece which comes with a earring and a mang tika. Look at this, such a stunning piece, and it comes with a earring like this, also with this mang tika right over here. So beautiful. This is like my personal favorite. Such a beautiful jhumka, so pretty. Few tribal pieces like this. Look at this kind of jewelry person. They have so many different kind of set in different colors. They have pink, black, they have so many different kind of sets. This is like so stunning and so beautiful. I am in love. The finish, the quality is also really great. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. You really don't need that much time to do this makeup look. Eye makeup is so creative yet beginner friendly at the same time, and yeah, that's pretty much it guys. I hope you guys really love this video, really find this video helpful. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.